Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate Flipgrid into your Canvas account. Assuming that you've already created your own account from here, you're going to go into your Canvas and you're going to go to your settings. Now, Flipgrid is a really good way in order for you to integrate some discussion boards, topics, and students can comment or also they can record their responses. Now, this might be really good for younger grade levels, but I also feel like older grade levels might really like working with this as well. So we're going to go to apps and we're going to click on Flipgrid. We're going to find it and we're going to install it. So in order for us to have Flipgrid integrated, I'm going to have to click on Add App. And I'm going to go back into my Flipgrid account and I'm going to click on my little icon here and I'm going to find my drop down to where it says integrations. And where it says integrations, you're going to have one that says you haven't started anything with Canvas. You're going to click on Add Integration and I'm going to name it Monacho Homeroom. So now that I'm here, I'm going to go to Consumer Key, copy it, paste it, and do the same with the shared secret. This is so that both accounts can be linked together and students can access it through here. So it says app was added successfully, and if it doesn't show up automatically here whenever you go home, and if it doesn't pop up, you're going to go to Settings and go to where it says Navigation. Make sure you're on Navigation. You're going to find to where Flipgrid is at the very bottom and you see it's disabled. It means that you won't be able to see it. So instead, you're going to drag it up here so that it'll be visible to you and to students. So you save it and then it'll be here. It'll pop up. You're going to click on Flipgrid and you're going to create a course group. So automatically, if you're in the correct course, it'll be there for you. So you can do it on, if you have shared classes, you can do it each time on each course so that each classroom can have their own. So you can create a topic and it says favorite subject. So you can say, tell me about your favorite subject and why. So for us older grade levels, we don't have Seesaw, so we don't get to do the videos and all of that. So I think this is a really fun way for them to get excited about doing new things in the classroom. And so I'm going to make it to only video comments because I want them to record a video in response. And I'm going to click on Create Topic. Now, if I want students to just automatically do it while maybe we're in class on a live, they can click straight through here as a student. So I'm going to go home and show you what it looks like as a student. And it says right here, that little sunglasses, that's the new student view button. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So the student will click on Flipgrid. And if you're in the middle of a live class, you can tell them click on Flipgrid and answer the first topic that I gave you. So it says, tell me about your favorite subject and why it is your favorite. So the students are going to record a response. You can have them do this independently. And their camera should pop up. So the students can do effects, they can do frames, they can play around with it, they can do whatever they want with it. And so they're going to record. And they're going to say, my favorite subject is math, and I love math because I get to work with numbers and I get to solve problems. So they're going to click next, and they can work on editing. My favorite subject is math, and I love math because I get to work with numbers and I get to... So they can edit, they can trim, they can do whatever they need to do in order to fix it. So I'm going to submit it. And that's it. So me as a teacher, I'll be able to go into it and see and view their responses as a video. Now, if you want to create an assignment, it's the same process. And you're going to create assignment. And I'm going to say it can be the same thing just so that you can see it as an assignment and you can link it. So the most important part is that you're going to go where it says external tool and you're going to set Flipgrid instead of LTI. And there you go. And they'll be able to see it as an actual Flipgrid. So if you see when they go to assignments, you can link the assignment, and instead of having an actual Google slide or something, they can start the discussion right here. And that's it.